This light took me almost 4 years to create. We tried many different prototypes, many different designs, and this is truly the best underwater light in the industry. The first thing you notice about it is the look. Anytime we're working with koi ponds, we want to keep brass and copper out of koi ponds. It's not healthy for the fish. I work with a lot of people in the koi industry. They asked if I could make a light out of 316 stainless steel, and that's what we built. The second thing is I wanted everything sealed. So we went with this beautiful 316, and then we sealed everything together. This is a non-serviceable light. We did not want to get access into this because if we did that, we would eventually, the seals would break down and we would be replacing that. This light is a true integrated light. It is designed to be completely encapsulated, to give a beautiful light output, to really blend into the environment. One thing I found after I started installing these is when they were put into the pond, that the big koi would sometimes come by and knock the lights over. So we came up with the ingenious idea to build these legs on it, which just gives a greater stability to it. Also with this polycarbonate crystal clear lens, it's very easy to clean. So often in koi ponds and other aquatic situations, moss builds up and they just become very difficult to clean. This light is very easy to keep clean, just simply wipe it down. We also tuck the LED a little bit back into the fixture itself. This allows us to really try and hide the light source. Couple this with the heavy duty base, our legs which keep it steady, really gives you a lot of uses and applications for underwater lighting. I was so happy that we came out with an underwater light that performs great, that's reliable, and one that's going to project light and really be used in so many applications in the underwater lighting world. This light will outperform and outlast any other light in the industry. That's Sterling Lighting.